All right, mate. REP here. Let's look at it. Um, Point of control. You can see the point of control holding here. This is the USD chart, 3-day chart. You can see the point of control held, and we got the bounce off it, which is important to note. On top of that, we are uh, coming back into resistance. You can see this resistance, 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 resistance. Then it became support, 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 broke down. Now we're coming back up, and you can see it's acting as resistance again here. Now, if we look at every single candle in AUGUR's history, when it had a large wick like this, there was some sell-off afterwards. A large wick, well, you could have bought it a bit cheaper, at least for another bounce back up. Large wick here, there was a sell-off. Large wick in here, it's still sold off. I'm not saying it can't come back and take liquidity. There was some large wicks here. We sold off a bit and then bounced back up. Large wick here. This was beautiful. This is what I hope this is. In the fact that yes, we can get a dip, but if we consolidate then in bullish on the inside of this, so if we get a dip back down and then we can consolidate here, it might then do this. And that's what you kind of have to hope for after a wick like this. You can see again here, you know, even this large wick though caused a sell-off. We sold back off to the bottom end of the candle and then chopped about and then pushed higher, implying that it's not so good to FOMO in the wick, in the large wick. Price will later come back for that liquidity. Also, another one here, large wick. What happened? You could buy it cheaper. So I think almost every example on AUGUR's chart here, when there was this large wick, if you had patience, you will be able to buy it down here, somewhere down here, and then that in theory should go into accumulation and then push back up and come up and take liquidity here and probably go higher again because of this accumulation zone. So, you know, if you do buy this, could you get some sort of quick up move back up to here? Yes, you could, but you need to be careful because every large wick in the history of Augur, price eventually came back down to the low end of the body of this candle. And because this is a large volume, there will be support down here. So price will want to come back to support at some point and give you a safer buying opportunity for these next moves.